Right, okay, here's a credit for the channel. This is the crazy house that belongs to Stuart Danter. They took this one over, it was in May 2022. So, let's go and give this a whirl. He's looking at his phone, so he ain't going to see me sneak past him. Times range, one way only. Shoes to be worn at all times, so you don't get my smelly socks. That's the bonus for you lot. Right, let's go. Right, some of these, yeah, hanging down things. Yeah. Do you know, when I first started doing this, I always said that I wouldn't do fun houses, but to be honest with you, they are fun. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a kick job. Oh, crikey, forgot one of these barrels. Oh, it doesn't move. Oh, does it? Oh, it does. Once you put your weight on it, I suppose once you start walking, let's see if we can get it going. Yeah, we're moving. Right, okay. The eye. One way round the truck. No head-on bumping. Right, sensible stairs. And we're going to put a new top on this. It's just a case of having time to do it. And we've had nothing but rain just lately. We had a really dry January. February started off quite nice, and then you got the Valentine's fairs, and it's done nothing but rain since. So there's your rolling floors. As you see, this is all enclosed, so it's actually like being in the back of a wagon. Right, let's have a look at the fair while we're up here then. Michael Thompson, Twister. Nathan Dobson, new ownership. 1933, Ordnance Spooner, Walser. Converted in the mid-50s. The flat train ride is Michael Thompson Jr. George Dobson with his toy set. Craig Jennings, Miami. Craig also owns the Dodgems. Of course, we got the sun in their horrible place, haven't we? Teacups belong to Craig. And I think the Disney trains is as well. There is an Astro slide hiding around the back of this wagon. You don't see too many of them these days. Right. Have it. Hello, 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 hello. Here we are now, meditators. Oh, how am I going to get through here? Cool. Okay. Mind your feet. Oh God, look at this lot. I haven't seen these in a funhouse before. I ought to strap the Brummie up with one of these. Oh. Dear me. Right, now it's... Oh, we've got tyres down here. It's dark in here. Mad. Right, okay. They're not the easiest things to walk on, you know. Right, more of these elastic string things. Wind your head. Right, we're still up the top. I think next up after this, I think it's going to have to be Nathan Dobson's Walser. It's quite strange actually being inside the back of a wagon doing one of these. Oh, now then, what are we going to do here then, guys? Do I go down the slide and burn my ass, or do I go down the steps? No, it's got to be done, innit? Come on. We got to try and pretend we're a big kid. Here we go. Whoa! Oh shit! Well, it's only a little slide, but with my weight, we'll say no more. Hey, sexy lady. Right, okay, down to these. Yeah, they do. Yeah, we got a few of these. Oh. Hey, you step on them, they go the wrong bloody way. Right, okay. I think I don't want to go. Right, okay. Stuart Danter's funhouse. Yeah, that was a good laugh. Alright, okay, we'll move on. Cheers, folks.